As I was growing up in northern Minnesota on an Indian reservation, I saw poverty and hardships around every corner. I refused to let that be my story. I chose to stay because I want to show future generations that in this country it doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. If you work hard and never give up on yourself, then anything is possible. While working in construction as a consultant, I was making advances in my career. And from the outside, nothing but a success. Having made $143,000 in 2018 and on track to go even further in 2019, I made a decision that shocked many people in my life. I quit. They thought I was insane for emptying my life savings and selling my house to start a company making and selling cedar rings. I wanted to do something that gave me time with my wife and kids, while also making a difference in the country that I love. In high school, I worked in a lumber mill. I always loved when we'd receive an order of cedar. The smell filled up the atmosphere. That scent is worth sharing, so I started Cedar Scents, a small company with a big vision. That vision is to show generations ahead of us that even in rural America, where jobs are constantly disappearing, if you're determined and willing to put in the work, you can achieve anything.